What's crack-a-lackin', lads and lasses? Welcome back to another unboxing.
Okay!
It's the KKK! And I got a Pinhead Funko Pop. Side. The back. The other side. Wait, oh yeah, the other side.
Why'd you look back? You trying to get my approval done?
So let's crack those baby open. So there he is. And his penniness. Wait, that's no, whatever. I already said it. Pretty good. There's some thickness here. Somewhere, yeah, somewhere here. I mean, it's pretty good. You get the books and stuffs. Pretty good.
My name's Cobra!
What is the point of saying these are our names if you're gonna call me that?
You started that.
It's okay, Jamal.
I did that before I started. That's what for you. So thank you guys. Oh wait, I need to rate it.
Might as well do the other one too, Jay.
What? The L?
Yeah. Because taking
No, because I have no way to put him.
up there.
So, yeah,
What's wrong with you? It's not like anything's going up there.
I'm gonna rate him out of 10. An 8.4.
18.
What? No. Anyway, yeah, 8.4. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to slap that subscribe button, like, comment, share with your friends if you have any, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Adios.
So long.
Hunter.